Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Maddie.
I need your help.
Of course I will do.
Tomorrow is my mom's birthday, and I want to make a special gift for her.
That's wonderful. Does she like flowers?
Yes, she loves them.
I have a great idea. Let's make a beautiful flower bouquet using Play-Doh. We will start by making green stems and leaves with Play-Doh. Let's roll it out. I am making 5 stems.
I will help.
Great. Now let's make 5 colorful flowers. You can use this rolling pin to press the dough.
Look, I made tiny hearts in different colors.
Good. And I am making leaves. And we can also place the leaves in the picture. Perfect. We can arrange them into flower shapes.
Ta-da! It looks amazing.
I will make purple Play-Doh tulip.
Nice. What are you doing with the little balls?
A blue flower. Now pink flower. Nice! I will make the final colorful flower. This is nice. Now, let's add a bow to complete our bouquet.
Yes.
Our gift is ready, and your mom will be so happy when she will see it.
She will love it. Thank you, Sophia.
Hello friends, today some little unicorns are coming to play with me. They love to draw and paint. I have prepared some fun drawings for them. They can color these however they like. Oh, here they are. Hello little unicorns. You are so sweet. You are too. Here you go, little ones. These are your pictures to color. We have our paints ready. Let's get started and have fun. Wow, you are doing a great job. I love your colors. Mine is finished. Great work. Did you have fun painting? Are you feeling hungry?
Yes.
Come with me to the kitchen. I will prepare something special for you. Unicorns love fruit, so I am going to make a delicious and healthy dessert. Honor, can you check the fridge for fruit?
We only have blueberries left.
Oh no, that means it's time to go shopping for more fruit. Now that we have lots of fresh fruit, let's make a colorful dessert. First, we will make fruit purees. Look, each fruit gives us a different color. Oranges make orange puree, apples make green puree, grapes make purple puree, strawberries make pink puree, blueberries make blue puree. Now, let's layer all the colors together.
Wow, it looks so pretty.
Here is a spoon for everyone. You get a big spoon, and the little unicorn gets a small spoon. Enjoy your meal. How does it taste?
Delicious.
I am so glad you like it. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all.